What's up, you guys? Google the Tempest here, and today I am going to be reviewing a smart USB cable cord. This is a Town Pantry smart USB cable cord. It's made it from Town Pantry, and yeah, in the back there's the USB right here. So, oh yeah, in the back in the USB, it was so pretty awesome because this thing is the new best review video on YouTube. And here's the USB, so freaking silver. It's made it from silver. And yeah, I like this. This is the most sexiest cord I ever. And this one, right here on the logo, like, here we go, guys. Right here on the logo, behind here, in this logo, there's a logo right behind here because I'm just gonna take a focus. Sorry, it's a bad focus. So, there's the good news every day, but there, and so you can see, guys, you can see this thing right over here, so you can see the cord right here and right here. See that cord? It's pretty awesome. That is the small strength, 17-hour strength on the smart cord, and that's the 17-hour strength. So, thanks to Sweer, the Dark Yoshi crew, and the Christian Flintnote Tsunamemo and Andrew Silva for making the video on YouTube. So, once there's someone, as you can see, guys, this cord has a logo in it, and the logo is pretty awesome. I like that impressive logo, and that logo is pretty okay. And finally, in the back size, here when I ever saw, here's the focus. So in the back here, here's the logo on the back right now, which means the back will be completely, well, but people don't give a crap about it, but don't ask why. I'm gonna try this on my Samsung adapter. This is my first Samsung Galaxy adapter. So yeah, here's my Samsung adapter without draining down my battery. I know it drains down my battery on my phone. Okay, guys. Sorry about my pillows. The pillow's getting freaking shitty and messy. So yeah, guys. I'm Splash. This is my Town Pantry smart USB cable. And this is the Samsung adapter. Let's plug into the Town Pantry smart USB cable in there. Oh, forgot to plug in the wrong cord, actually. Yep, still pretty okay. It's made it from Samsung. Just don't give a shit. Okay, if you liked that review video, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.